Now, of course, if you've watched the other videos, you already know how to make these masks. In this case, we're just going to keep sewing onto the next mask. So instead of now having to pull your thread and cut it, you just leave that mask in place and start on your next one. You're going to place your elastic. Sometimes I lift the head, it makes it a little easier. And turn it on the other side. And you just keep going. And then you'll have like a long line. Now you can turn it and do the same thing on the other side while they're all connected. Don't cut them apart. Just keep them all together. So another time is when you're sewing the ends, when you're closing the gap that you've left open. You can prepare the next one before you take off the other one. So you just keep sewing. And then I lift, and you can keep doing these in a line also. So again, you're saving more thread, and it's a little bit easier. They're all in a line, and you go through and cut the threads all after. I'm running a line of masks. I pleat them. I'm not using pins personally. I will fold them. I lift the foot, put the next one under. I always back sew on every end and then release. Then I just fold the next one. Once I have it done, the other one's still there. I just make sure I come to the end of the last one. Place the end underneath. I find that easier. Make sure my pleats are in place and start the next. Back sew a little bit. I don't like sewing over pins personally, just the way I'm doing it. I'll flip them and show you the other side. I'm placing my finger right beside the foot here. So you can see I'm not going to sew my finger, but it's going to run right beside the foot. I can hold down the pleats without having to use a pin. You may not want to do that or may not feel comfortable doing that, but I find my fingers aren't in the way. And like I said, it holds the pleats in place. And then voila, you have a whole stream of masks that you can hang in your windows. Look really cool when they're all done and they're all in a line. So from here, what you're doing is you're just going to snip the thread that connects them, and then you're off to the races. Kids' masks, it's good to get off the little threads because they might come loose. So if you cut really close on the one side, you only have to trim the opposite mask.